Hi friends, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make Spanish arroz con pollo or Spanish chicken and rice. This is a dish that can be tailored to your taste. For example, you can add peas and carrots, or you can do olives and capers, and I'm about to do mine with just capers, but it's a very easy dish. It takes about 30 minutes from beginning to end, and I use the frozen boneless chicken tenderloins, and I usually keep in my pantry. As you may have seen, I cook a lot with fresh tomatoes or organic salsa, so I'm using that. I hope you like this dish because it's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step. The best rice to me is basmati rice, so that's what I'm going to use, but you can use any other rice. I really prefer the basmati rice. Anyways, I hope you like this dish. I hope you try it. Go to my page, practicalrecipes.com. Go to my Facebook page, Practical Recipes, and like the page. I hope you like it, and see you soon. 4 cups of basmati rice. Wash and soak. You have to wash the rice really well to make sure that the water comes out really clear. And you have to make sure that you don't break the rice when you're washing. And we will peel and chop our onion. Here we have about 2 pounds of chicken tenderloin, boneless, skinless chicken tenderloin. So we are going to get our pan ready with some extra virgin olive oil. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. We are going to start sauteing our onion. That's first. About a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now we are going to add our chicken. We are adding our capers. We're going to add about a teaspoon of ginger paste, black pepper, and salt. You can add bell peppers, you can add olives. I always have olives, but today I don't have any, so we're not gonna do olives, but I usually put olives in my arroz con pollo. Red bell peppers, you can add olives, you can add anything you'd like that will enhance the flavor of this dish. So now we add a little bit of organic salsa. Now we add about a cup of fresh cilantro. Okay, so we have here the base of this dish. We're going to cover it with a lid. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of wine, cooking wine. It could be white wine or marsala. See that it'll form a little broth or sauce, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it again because the tenderloins are not cooked yet, so I'm going to cover it a little bit more. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 6 cups of water to this. That's 4. 6 cups of water. Before I add my rice, I'm going to add these 2 Goya seasonings. I had set aside my basmati rice, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just draining the last of the water. It's very, very clean. And now I'm going to pour my rice onto the pan. Now we just put it, even it out, gently even it out, and we're going to cook it uncovered for now until you start to see the rice come up and look like it's cooked. And we are cooking this on medium heat. Medium, a little bit higher than medium. Now, depending on your stove, this will start happening in about 10 minutes or so. And make sure that the pan is centered in the middle of the burner so that the rice cooks evenly. You can give it a quick stir just to even it out again, but that's it. You cannot stir more than one time. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it to low because you see the rice is getting dry, and all we need to do is turn it to low and cover it with a lid. At this point it's ready. I just turned it off so that it can finish cooking in its own steam, and it's ready to serve. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and serve this so that you can see what it looks like. Steaming hot. A little bit of chicken. Bring that here. It is super, super simple. There you have it.